Have you ever wondered why you are still unable to speak Spanish, even after trying everything the market offers? Apps, video tutorials, online teachers, immersion courses, even telenovelas. You would make modest progress, feel a spark of hope, and then fall off, every single time. I'll tell you why. They all start in the middle: grammar rules before vocabulary, sentences before words, complexity before foundation. No one had been able to figure out a way to learn a new language that is foolproof with 100% success rate. Until now. Here's the key, and you will be shocked to learn where this key has been hidden all this while, in plain sight. You see, at around 9 months, infants begin vocalizing individual meaningful sounds, the building blocks of all language. By 12 to 15 months, they attach single words to objects, people, and needs, always with accurate phonetics, always concrete. Between 18 and 24 months, they combine words into 2-word phrases, then 3, then 4. By age 2 to 3, they have a vocabulary of 50 to 200 words and are producing complete, meaningful sentences. This method has worked for every human being who has ever learned to speak. And yet not a single language learning resource out there was built this way. By observing infants pass through this language development process at the pediatric office, Dr. Greg Martins-Ogi, a pediatrician in Los Angeles County, California, finally solved the puzzle. He designed an unconventional experiment to write a Spanish language learning book that works exactly the way children learn language. But there was a problem. He did not speak Spanish. For 15 years, he had tried to learn Spanish using all language resources he could find: Pimsleur, Rosetta Stone, online tutors, telenovelas, even Spanish language books that promise language proficiency in 60 days, all with no success. So he had given up. But now he had a new motivation: to prove that his invention works. He knew exactly what the book needed to contain, because he could write it entirely in English first. Every category of vocabulary a learner needs, every sound rule, every sentence-building progression, every real-life scenario. Written in English, structured the way a child acquires language, from the ground up. Then he brought in a very experienced Spanish language teacher. Her job was simple: fill in the Spanish words, add the pronunciations, and verify the accuracy. Within 1 week of studying this book, he had learned over 100 Spanish words, including numbers, dates, and body parts. He had mastered the phonetic system well enough to read Spanish text aloud and pronounce words he had never seen before. He was holding brief but real conversations with Spanish-speaking colleagues. Not perfectly, not fluently, but real conversations, after only 1 week. The results were so far beyond what he expected that he made a decision he had not anticipated. He stopped the experiment early and published the book immediately. Not because the experiment was complete, it wasn't, but because he genuinely believes that every person who is struggling to learn Spanish the way he was struggling deserves access to this method now, not 6 months from now. He is still learning, he is still on the journey, and he is inviting you to take the journey with him. He has since founded a franchise named Language by Nature. He plans to use this franchise to extend his invention to learning other languages for the benefit of people of different ages, backgrounds, and cultures. This book is not for people who have a knack for languages. It is for people who have tried and failed, for adults who concluded they were too old or too slow, for medical professionals, educators, business owners, and neighbors who encounter Spanish-speaking communities every day and feel the ache of the language gap between them. For anyone who has been told, or has told themselves, that fluency is out of reach. This book begins where children begin, with sounds, then words, then combinations, then conversations. It assumes nothing, it rushes nothing, and it works. Because the method is not new. It is as old as language itself. Get the book now on Amazon.com. Link in description.